do, so I thought I'll do one today. So I'll be creating this look right here. So I hope you guys like it. So I've already done my base, so I'll just show you guys how to do the eyes. So let's get started. So first I'll start off with creating a base for my eyes. So for that I'm using my concealer Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm going to start packing onto my lids like really well so that the color can come out like really good. So I'm going to create the desired shape that I want, which is like very sharp and just how you would create a wing liner, and I'm going to do it on both of my eyes. Now after I'm done with the concealer, I'm going to take the blue eyeshadow that I want, and I'll start it by using my fingers first, and then I'll use the same concealer brush and pack it onto my lids, and I'll keep on doing the same as long as I don't get the desired effect that I want, and I want my blue to really pop out and just be like very bright. And after that I'm going to take my liner and do a wing liner. It is very simple. All you have to do is just follow the outline of your eyeshadow and you're done. And then I'm going to set my face, and then I'm just going to line my waterline, and then I'm going to finish it off with some mascara. For that I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation, and of course if you want to go for a much more dramatic look you can always use falsies, but I want to keep it a bit natural. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you liked it. It's a bit time consuming, but honestly the end result looks pretty beautiful. So if you like this, do give this video a thumbs up. Also you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want to see more such fashion and beauty content. I make videos every Thursday, and I'll see you next week. Bye.